इस वीडियो में हम लाइफ प्रोसेस के पिछले 5 to 8 years के प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चंस डिस्कस करेंगे। लाइफ प्रोसेस का ये 10th क्लास के क्वेश्चंस। पहला क्वेश्चन है, व्हाई इज रेस्पिरेशन इज कंसिडर्ड एन एक्सोथर्मिक प्रोसेस। इसी में सेकेंड पार्ट है, नेम द मॉलिक्यूल of energy that synthesizes during the respiration. Second question, why do the arteries have thick elastic walls? How is it different from veins? Third question, name the enzymes present in pancreatic juice. Next question, why are the plants called alive? Why are molecular movement needed for the life? What are the basic elements of food? What type of chemical reaction takes place in our body to break down food material, and in which form is it stored in the body? Next question है, write the modes of nutrition. Give the example in each case. First A, name the two types of heterotropics. Second B, name the two kinds of parasite and saprophytes. Question number 6, name the process by which autotropics prepare their food. Name the raw material required in the process. Which of the raw material traps the solar energy? What is stomata? In which form carbohydrate is stored in plants? How is oxygen obtained? Write down the chemical reaction or chemical equation in this process. Next, name the process by which food is converted into energy. Name the substance formed in the first step, pyruvate. Which does the process takes place in cytoplasm? ये सारे आंसर्स अच्छी तरीके से याद कर लीजिए, आपके एग्जाम्स के लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है। How many types of respiration is there? Where does the breakdown of pyruvate takes place? Question number 9. What are the end products of aerobic respiration and in an anaerobic respiration? Name the type of respiration in which more energy is released. यानी कि कौन सी respiration में ज्यादा energy release होती है? What is the full form of ATP? ATP का full form क्या है? How many ATP molecules are formed in the oxidation of glucose? ये ध्यान रखिएगा, बहुत छोटे छोटे क्वेश्चन है। What is breathing? Next, why do aquatic animals breathe faster than the terrestrial animals? Next question 12. What is blood? Name the two fluids in human which are involved in transport. Next, write the fluid medium in blood. Which organ is called pumping organ of blood? Name the kind of blood vessels. Next, what are the component of blood? Name the vein which brings blood from the lung to heart. Next, what are the types of blood cell? Give their full name. Next, name the pigment present in RBC. Which component of blood carry food, carbohydrate, nitrogenous waste, and oxygen? Next, name the two main parts of the human heart. Which is pumping part of the heart? How many chambers are there in the heart? Which blood vessel that carries oxygenated blood and which vessel carry this deoxygenated blood? Next, during one cycle, how many times the blood goes to the heart? Next, name the part of the plants which absorbs water and mineral from the soil. Where are they transported? Name the conducting tissue of the plant. What is the cellular element of xylem, tracheids or vessels? What are the similarity between tracheids and vessels? Next, what is the rate of rise of water in flowering plants? How much water is used or absorbed in the photosynthesis and other metabolic activities? That is, the rate of rise of water is 10 to 100 centimeter per minute. ये मैंने आंसर दे दिया है. Only 1 to 2% of the water is absorbed in the process of photosynthesis. ये इसके आंसर है, ध्यान रखिएगा. Under optimal condition, what quantity of water can leaf transpire in an hour? In case of tree, how much it transpires in its lifetime? Next, what are the minerals needed by the plant? What is osmosis? What are the factors that controls the opening of stomata? Next, what is excretion and osmoregulation? Which system is responsible for maintaining osmoregulation and excretion? Why is it important? क्या question है? Name the excretory system in human being. Name the excretory unit in the human being. What is the shape of kidney? Where is it located? Next, question number 22. What is uterus, urinary bladder, urethra? Name the chief nitrogenous waste product of the human urine. Question ध्यान रखिएगा, अच्छे क्वेश्चंस हैं. Blood passes through the narrow capillaries and develop very high pressure, due to which blood fluid part of the blood is forced out. Where is the kidney? Does it occur? Next, which contain nitrogenous waste? First, renal artery, renal vein, and what is the function of glomerulus? What are the main toxic waste that kidney filters? Name the substances which are reabsorbed from the tubules of nephron. Next, where the complete digestion of carbohydrate, fats, protein takes place. What is emulsification of fats? Name the component of the blood that helps in clotting of blood during the any cut. When we breathe out, why does air passage not collapse? Next, name the substances whose buildup in the muscles during the vigorous physical exercise may cause cramp. यानी कि कौन से ऐसे सब्सटेंस होते हैं जो मसल्स के अंदर पैदा होते हैं जब हम बहुत एक्सरसाइज करते हैं तो क्रैम्प पैदा हो जाता है. Which blood corpuscles are called the soldiers of the body and why? Question number 31. Which is the statement is incorrect? कौन सी statement incorrect है? First, they synthesize carbohydrate and water in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll. Second है, they store carbohydrate in the form of starch. Third है, convert CO2 and water to carbohydrate in the presence of sunlight. इनमें से कौन सा स्टेटमेंट गलत है, ये मार्क करना है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 32. Heterotrophs do not synthesize their food. दूसरा ऑप्शन है heterotrophs utilize solar energy. Which statement is correct? ये आपने बताना है. Second, which statement is correct? First, mouth, food goes to mouth, to stomach, stomach to small intestine, ओसियोफेगस एंड लार्ज इंटेस्टाइन. ये वाला पॉइंट सही है, ये है माउथ, ओसियोफेगस, स्टमक, स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन एंड लार्जेस्ट इंटेस्टाइन. ये तो बहुत इजी सा क्वेश्चन है, ये आप अच्छी तरीके से कर सकते हैं. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 33A. इफ स्लेवरी amylase is not in saliva, then which will be affected most? पहला, absorption of vitamin, starch breaking down into sugar, HCl in the stomach is protected by pepsin or mucus. ये आपने बताना है. इनमें से ऑप्शन है, which part of the alimentary canal receives bile juice from the liver, stomach, from liver or from small intestine. ये बताना है इनमें से कौन सी चीज. Presence of starch or protein can be determined when a few drop of iodine is put in the rice. ठीक है. Next, E है, the final digestion of food takes place in dash dash dash. या fill in the blanks में आ गया. Which is correct? Trypsin digest protein and lipase emulsified fats, or trypsin emulsified fats and lipase digest protein. इन दोनों में से कौन सा करेक्ट है, ये आपको बताना है. ठीक है. मैंने बाकी ऑप्शन नहीं लिखे क्योंकि वो तो इनकरेक्ट है ही. नेक्स्ट, which of the following is correct of anaerobic respiration in yeast? First, glucose to cytoplasm or pyruvates and mitochondria, lactic acid. ये बताना है. नेक्स्ट, ग्लूकोज, साइटोप्लाज्म, pyruvates. फिर आ जाता है साइटोप्लाज्म which changes into ethanol and carbon dioxide. Which of the following combination is correct for aerobic respiration? First, glucose in the presence of cytoplasm, pyruvate plus energy in mitochondria gives carbon dioxide and hydrogen water. Second, glucose in the presence of cytoplasm, pyruvate plus energy, mitochondria, and gives carbon dioxide, water. बाकी ऑप्शन मैंने डिलीट कर दिए क्योंकि वो करेक्ट नहीं है. इन दोनों में से कोई एक करेक्ट है, पहचानना आपको है. नेक्स्ट, चूज द करेक्ट स्टेटमेंट. ड्यूरिंग इनहेलेशन ribs move inward and diaphragm is raised. Second, in alveoli, the exchange of gases takes place. Oxygen from alveolar, alveolar air diffuses into blood, and carbon dioxide from blood to alveolar air. Third, hemoglobin has great affinity for carbon dioxide. Next, alveoli increases the surface area of exchange of gases. Next, question number 37. Make the correct sequence. First, nostrils, larynx, फेरिंग्स, ट्रेकिया एंड लंग्स। दूसरा है नॉस्ट्रल्स, फायरिंग्स, लैरिंग्स, ट्रेकिया एंड एलोवेली। देखिए बाकी इसमें ऑप्शन मैंने नहीं लिखे हैं क्योंकि इन दोनों में से कोई एक करेक्ट है। नेक्स्ट 38, respiration takes place in alveoli of lungs or alveoli and throat। ये आपने बताना है। क्वेश्चन नंबर 35 39, which of the following statements are true for heart? First, A, left atrium receives oxygenated blood from different parts of the body, while the right atrium receives the deoxygenated blood from the lungs. Okay. Second, B, left ventricle pumps oxygenated blood to the different parts of the body, while the right ventricle pumps the deoxygenated blood to lungs. C, right atrium receives deoxygenated blood from different parts of the body, whereas the left atrium pumps oxygenated blood to the different parts of the body. Next, question number 40A, which prevents the backflow of blood in heart? Second part है इसका, the blood leaving the tissue becomes rich in oxygen और carbon dioxide। इसमें से आपने चॉइस रखनी है। Does oxidation of carbon dioxide takes place in photosynthesis? ये बताना है आपको। The opening and closing of stomata depends upon A, oxygen, B, water in the guard cells और C, temperature। इन तीनों ऑप्शन में से कोई एक ऑप्शन करेक्ट है। अब क्वेश्चन नंबर 40 बी, वेयर इज द पायरुविक एसिड कन्वर्टेड इनटू लैक्टिक एसिड इन एब्सेंस ऑफ ऑक्सीजन। क्वेश्चन नंबर 41, नेम द प्रोसेस इन्वॉल्व्ड। फर्स्ट, the process in the plant that links light energy with chemical energy. B, the organism that can prepare their own food. C, the cells that surrounds the stomata, इनके नाम बताना है। The organism that cannot prepare their own food, इनका नाम बताना है। The enzyme secreted from the gastric glands in the stomach acts as a protein. Next, 42nd question, give reason all plants give oxygen in day and carbon dioxide during the night. 43rd question, how does the opening and closing of stomata takes place? If two plants are taken in oxygen free containers, one is kept in light and other is in dark, which one will be longer and why? 2024 में 2024 का क्वेश्चन है, ध्यान रखिएगा। 44th question, is nutrition necessary for the organism? Why? If leaves of the plant is coated with Vaseline, will the plant remain healthy? If not, why? What happens if mucus not secreted by the gastric gland? What is the significance of emulsification of fats? What causes the movement of the food inside the alimentary canal? Next, 46th question. Why there is a complete absorption of food takes place in alimentary canal? What is the role of mouth and gastric glands in the stomach in digestion? 47th, why is blood circulation in human body is double circulatory, and what is the advantage of four chamber in the heart of human being? Next, 48th question, trypsin releases by कौन सा gland and digest किसको करता है? amylase release by कौन से gland से digest क्या करता है? bile released by कौन से gland से release होता है? और digest किसे करता है? pepsin released by विच ग्लैंड डाइजेस्ट क्या करता है, लाइपेज रिलीज बाय कौन से ग्लैंड एंड डाइजेस्ट क्या करता है। और इसके साथ साथ ये 2024 के क्वेश्चंस हैं, ध्यान रखिएगा। Why and how does water enter into the root xylem continuously? Why is the transpiration important? Next, ये सारे लॉन्ग क्वेश्चन है सेकेंड, जो पिछले सालों में पूछे गए हैं, जरूरी नहीं है 2024 के ही हो। Explain the process of nutrition of amoeba with figure. Describe the alimentary canal of man with figure. Explain the process of breathing with figure. Figure बनाना जरूरी है. Describe the digestion of carbohydrate, protein and fats. Next, explain the flow of blood through heart. Figure जरूरी है. Explain urine formation through kidney. हाँ, with figure. ध्यान रखिए, ये मैंने जानकर जो फिगर बोला है उसमें फिगर जरूरी है। Question number 3. What is the role of HCl, Willi, Anyl, Pincher, Lipase? ये 2024 का क्वेश्चन है। नेक्स्ट, why is the respiratory pigment needed in the multicellular organism with a large size of body? ये भी 2024 का क्वेश्चन है। एक एसर्टेशन का क्वेश्चन है। एसर्टेशन क्या था? The rate of breathing in aquatic organism is much faster than the terrestrial animal. Reason: the amount of oxygen is high in water as compared in air. ये दोनों के दोनों सही हैं। Next, the rings of the cartilages are present in the throat. दूसरा, lungs always contain a residual volume of air. The diaphragm flattens and ribs are lifted up when we breathe in. Next, the wall of alveoli contain an extensive network of blood vessels. 2024 के क्वेश्चंस हैं। Name the movement that take place along the gut in the human digestive system. How do they help in digestion? Last question, where is the bile juice stored? And state the two role of it. ओके, अब मैं आपको नेक्स्ट वीडियो में और दूसरे चैप्टरों के इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस बताने की कोशिश करूंगा। थैंक यू, बेस्ट ऑफ लक, पढ़ते रहिए, एग्जाम्स बहुत बहुत